Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to give you some additional help with the practice problems from Monday, and this will help clarify things before you jump into your ChemQuest today. So your significant digits guided notes that you took yesterday, after the section about rounding, you should add this to your notes, whether you just want to handwrite it and have it for later, if you want to type it into your Google Doc and that's something you're going to print off later, whatever works best for you. But now would be a time to pause the video and write down the notes. So for an addition and subtraction problem, you find the number in the problem with the least significant place. So that means if you had 101,324, the least significant place would be the ones place. Or if you had 3.20, the least significant place would be the hundredths place. And that's going to make more sense after I show you an example problem. For multiplication and division, you find the number in the problem with the least number of significant digits, and that's how many significant digits your answer should have. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this and show you a couple example problems. Thank you guys for being super flexible. I am grateful for your willingness to work hard at home. Keep that up, and we will be sure to make sure that you understand everything when we're back together in school. So an example for subtraction in part C on your worksheet from Monday, number 2 is 3.467 millimeters minus 0.02 millimeters. We're looking at which place is the least significant place. So here in this number, it is the 100ths place. And then here in this one, it is the 1000ths place. So this one here is going to give us the place that we're going to round our answer to. So I'm going to plug this into my calculator. 3.467 minus 0.02. We get 3.447. I always write down my answer before I take it to significant digits, just so that you can see what's going on. So like we said here, hundredths place, so that is the place that we need to round to. So 3.45 is our answer with the correct number of significant digits. An example of addition would be number 5 in section C, and that is 4.50 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. Here we have the ones place, and here we have the hundredths place. So our ones place is going to be our least significant place. So this is what we're going to round our answer to. So once again, plug this into our calculator. You probably don't need to plug this into a calculator though, to know that we get 6.5 as our answer. And since we're rounding to the 6th place, we're just going to end up with 6. Because remember this special rule about 5s, a little tricky. This is something else I can spell out if you need extra help with rounding. But with 5s, you want to round to the closest even place. So whether that's up or down. And with this one, it would be down. So our answer is 6. We're going to move on to a multiplication and division problem. So number 6 on part D of the same worksheet is 340 centimeters squared divided by 2.335 centimeters. The special thing about multiplication and division in this worksheet is our units, so I'll explain that at the end when we're adding our units. But remember, you're looking for the number with the least number of significant digits to know how many to put in our answer. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 significant digits, and here we only have 2, and this is a placeholder 0 because there is not a decimal in this problem. So our answer is going to have 2 sig digs. 340 divided by 2.335, get 145.61028784. 2 sig digs, that's going to be right here. So we look here to a 5 and we round this up to 150 centimeters. The reason the answer is centimeters is because you're dividing centimeters squared by centimeters. Centimeters times centimeters would be centimeters squared, and if you're dividing centimeters squared by centimeters, you get centimeters. All right, now for our last one, number 8. This is going to be a multiplication problem. It is 12.0 grams squared. Oh, sorry, this is a division problem too. Let me pick a multiplication problem. Let's do, oh, whoops. I'm sorry, they are weirdly numbered. My format must have gotten off when I switched it to an editable document. So yes, that first one was numbered as number 6. And this one is numbered as number 4, but it's the last one on the page. So it's 340 centimeters times 2.335 centimeters. Here, once again, we have 2 significant digits. That's a placeholder 0. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice these are the same numbers up above. We're just multiplying instead of dividing. So we're still going to use 2 sig digs in our answer. 340 times 2.335 is 793.9. So we want 2 sig digs. So our answer is going to be 790 centimeters squared. Because these are our 2 sig digs. 3 is small, so we're going to round that down to 790. I hope this was helpful. Going on from here, I want you to work on your ChemQuest, where it'll walk you through all of these rules in detail with extra practice problems. Then, if you still need more help, I made another video about the ChemQuest and a couple examples that were in there. I hope you guys are staying safe. Keep up the good work.